Hey friends, if you wish to fix unexpected store exception error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, press Windows plus R to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now, click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Turn the switch off for fast startup. Click on save changes. Once this is sorted, the next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.